I believe there's more to live in life than trying to get wealth, more than life than simply working hard to only get by, more than death than what we think when every one of us dies. There's more around than we can see, not caught for the eye. See, I might have started walking, but I was born to fly. World, it might have clipped my wings, but that don't mean I don't try. My feet, they might be on the ground, but my head's in the sky. Got a dream in my heart and a gleam in my eye, dropping beats from my birth till the day that I die. And though life is hard, I always keep my face to the sky, looking up to heaven, knowing everything will be fine. I've made up my mind, my life is decided. Man, I write the words and indie music simply provided. I'd like to take the credit, but I know that I'm guided. Now every track blows up like the trains that collided. You know, I wasn't simply created to live a life underrated, to trip and fall in the system, to live a life full of hatred, to blindly agree. Pay all your dues, man, you better be